In 2022, it's all about improving our personal finance. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 goals you can make to improve your personal finance. Goal number 1 is to create an emergency fund. An emergency fund is where you try to avoid any shocks just in case you lose a job or you fall sick or you have to use all your entire savings when you don't have access to more money in a particular time, or you've done something that depletes all your savings. You should always strive to have like 3 to 6 months emergency funds, especially if you spend, let's say for example, $500 on food, rent, or transport. You should try to multiply 500 to 6, which can give you $3,000, for example, for the 6 months to act as an emergency fund. Number 2, create a monthly budget. I have a budget, but I don't stick to it 100%. If you don't have a monthly budget, you end up overspending so much money on miscellaneous things. It is not as hard. It is simple, but I know it's also doable. So tell your mind that you can stick to a budget that will enable you to save more money for the future. Goal number 3, it is to start a side hustle. Guys, like I've always told you, start a side hustle, especially if you're working somewhere, you have some knowledge, and you can actually start a YouTube channel and share that knowledge, and YouTube will pay you for that. Guess what? YouTube will pay you for that. How amazing is that? You have a phone, you have a data bundles, especially if you're watching this video, it means you can actually shoot a video, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, upload it on YouTube, get 1,000 subscribers, get 4,000 watch hours, and start earning money. Strive to look for a side hustle in the year 2022. Number 4, contribute to your retirement accounts. This can be a Roth IRA or pension schemes for my people in Kenya or wherever you're watching me from. There's always a retirement account in your country, whether it is $10, $1, $5, anything you can contribute to that account. Please start doing that now. Of course, we're not living when, like in the future, like if you're 65 at retirement, but all we are saying, you don't want to get to 50, you don't have any type of retirement accounts. We do not want that for 2022. So it's a high time you start thinking more importantly and more deeply about your personal finance situation. Number 5, it's working on your personal development. I cannot stress this enough. Invest in your skills, invest in something that you know is going to take you to the next level. We don't want to stick to one job just because we don't have any advancement in our skills. So I will encourage you, if you're doing something like accounting or any other job or even a business, and you think a professional course can improve your chances of improving your income, your salary, your business profits, just go for it. It's a high time we start investing in ourselves. And when we invest in ourselves, the education you get, it doesn't go anywhere. So those are my 5 goals that I would like you to focus on 2022. Let's see how it goes on as the year progresses on. So I wish you the very best in achieving your 2022 goals. I personally, I have set my goals also, and I want you to be part of my journey, and I want also to be part of your journey. Like I always say, whatever you see in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Keep chasing for greatness, and please keep subscribing and liking this video. I'll see you in the next video. It's been a pleasure. Peace.